Today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in one cell phone. Firstly, you have to go to Play Store and download two WhatsApp of two different versions. Example, GB WhatsApp, Business WhatsApp, a WhatsApp Messenger or Messenger WhatsApp. Let's start. Firstly, I have to download, I have to install WhatsApp from Play Store. Let me check the Play Store. This is a Play Store. I open the Play Store. I have to download two different WhatsApp versions. For my site, I will use a Business WhatsApp and the WhatsApp Messenger. You can also use GP WhatsApp, it's up to you. But let me start to install WhatsApp. Let me choose WhatsApp Messenger. I start by this one. WhatsApp Messenger. I can go also in the start at the same time to download also WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business. When I want to download WhatsApp Business, I install it. Installing it will take few minutes. It depends of the speed of the phone. I can see what first WhatsApp is done, and this is the second WhatsApp, which is a Business WhatsApp. First WhatsApp, which is a WhatsApp Messenger. First one is done. Let me open it. You must make sure you know your numbers from the SIM card. I'm going to agree and continue. Let me put my first number. My first number is 061. This is the first number from the first SIM card. I click for next. Click for yes. This is the correct number. Yes. I'm going to continue. I'm going to allow. Automatically the WhatsApp verify this number. Successful. It's verified this number. They say contact and media. You want, okay, let's say continue. Allow WhatsApp to access photo, image. Allow. Okay, it asked me to put a name. I can leave the same name, text kit base. I'm going to the next. Add the email. You can add your email. Let me escape. Finish setup. This is the first WhatsApp we put on this phone. This is the first WhatsApp. Let's go for the second WhatsApp. The second WhatsApp is the WhatsApp Business WhatsApp. We open the Business WhatsApp. We put the second number. We open the Business WhatsApp. We go to agree and continue. It asks to put the second number. You can see on this phone, I use it two WhatsApp. You can open here. This is Messenger WhatsApp. Messenger WhatsApp. You can see. Is Messenger WhatsApp. You can see here, this is WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp Messenger. You can open it. Let's see. Here also, here is WhatsApp Messenger. You can go here. Is also WhatsApp Business. So you can I use two WhatsApp on one phone. You see, all the WhatsApp are working. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video for more notification.